Alright, so I wasn't going to video this, but now I'm gonna. I'm taking the wires out of the X2 connector pins. I'm going to label them up so I can put them back in and shorten them. So I'll be marking the pins I pull out on my paperwork and on here to double check, and then I'll start putting the pins back in. Still got, this is the coils and injectors. Still got to put those in. I got to lengthen a couple of sensors, and I got a bunch of wires I got to shorten. So I'm going to start pulling pins and keep track. Nifty little set I picked up from Amazon, and $5. Gives you all these little connector tool, pin pull out tools. This guy one here works the best. What I'm doing is, there's a lock, and I use this to undo the lock without breaking it, and pulling on the wire to pull it down. Pin 2 is out. So, this pin that says doesn't go anywhere, it's not on the paperwork, so I just have to make sure I put it back. 22, 23, pin 23, X2. Slow process because I got to verify the color, make sure I'm pulling the pin right, make sure my eyes ain't fooling me. What I'm going to do now is I got a big bundle out. I'm going to try and untangle it out of this harness, so when I put them back, they'll fit a little better. What's up, hon?
I'm making coffee. You want to have a piece of anniversary cake?
Yes. Piece of anniversary cake sounds. Oh, she heard you. You better come in and say hello to her now.
Where is she?
She's right there.
Look.
She's been hanging out with me.
Hello, dear baby. Come here, mommy. Look, she's like, oh, come here. Come here. Mama will do that.
She's teasing you, huh?
Yeah. It's okay. Wait a minute. You got one of those sticky things on you. Okay. Oh, another sticky thing? Oh, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl.
Okay, gonna take a break and go have a piece of anniversary cake.